Hello everyone. In this video I want to show you how to install Python 3 on Windows 10. So first we will download the installer and install Python 3. So we are under Windows 10 and let's start the terminal with the command cmd. During the semester we will use the terminal a lot. So get acquainted with this. I hope you know how to use it. And here we could start Python if it were installed, but it's missing. And pip is the package manager of Python. It's also missing. So our job is to install Python 3. So visit the official website python.org, and here under downloads there is a button. You can also use this button, but a few years ago this offered the 32-bit installer instead of the 64-bit installer. I don't know if it has changed since then, but I do not trust this button, so I suggest to follow this link, Windows, and here we can select exactly the version that we need. The latest Python 3 release, the latest stable release at the moment of the recording of this video, is Python 3.10.2. However, be careful because here at the top it's an older version, 3.9. So you can find the latest version here and download the 64-bit installer. I guess everybody has a 64-bit computer at home. I have already downloaded this file, so I won't download it again. Once you have the installer, simply start it, run it. I have a Hungarian Windows, but I will translate everything. So this is run. And here it's very important that you select add Python to path. I will talk about the path later, so tick it. And instead of install now, select customize installation. Make sure that pip is selected. This is the package manager. We will need it later. Next. And do not install Python here because you will never find it. So I suggest that you install it to the root of the C drive, C/Python 3.10. Here you will find it. It will be easy to find it. Install. And it will take a few minutes. Okay, the installation was successful. On my machine it took about 4 minutes. Now let's check if Python works. Start the command cmd again. We will use it a lot, so I suggest that you put a launcher icon on the desktop to be able to start it easily. And now with the command Python we can start the Python shell. The version is 3.10.2. You can quit from the shell with Ctrl Z and enter. Okay, and we also have pip installed. This is the package manager. If you can see this output, then it is also available. Good. So we tried it too, And now let's check the path. If you remember, in the installer we selected that the installer should modify the path. So this is the control panel. You should find the system, and here special system settings. It is well hidden, but we need this properties of the system, and here we have the environment variables. Okay, and we need the path. Here I have two. This is for the system here at the bottom, and here at the top I have another path for my user. You can modify any of them, but if this top path is available, then you should modify this. Okay, edit, and as you can see, the directory c/python 310 and python 310 \scripts, they were added by the installer. Here in python 310 you can find python.exe, and in scripts you can find pip.exe. So they were added automatically by the installer. Okay, good. So Python 3 was installed successfully on Windows 10. In the next video I will show you how to install Total Commander, which is a file manager, and we will also install a simple text editor, Notepad++. Okay, thank you for your attention.